This video clip is to demonstrate a new powerful driver we have. It's a 75 watt driver, but what's special about it is it's got dimming capabilities and a 12 port cable access connected to the driver. So in this instance we've got 4 cables running out, 4 2-meter cables, and each of them are supplying 4 strips in 2 rows, and they're connected not by one but by 2 of the small 50mm connectors. I could have had these closer together and thus used just one 50mm connector, but because they're such fat shelves I've used 2 of the connectors just to spread the railway lines further apart. So what you're looking at there are 4 strips for one display area, running to one 2-meter cable, albeit cabled up tidy as it came supplied. This one I've undone to show you. There's the 4 strips with the 2 connectors. So if we look back, what we have here are 4 shelves supplied by 4 2-meter cables, and then joined in 2 rows at the end by 2 of the 50mm connectors. Now the dimming capability is by a remote handheld radio controlled controller, and on it you have an on-off, which is this one, I think. Yeah, that's the off, that's the on. I won't go to the brightness just yet, but we can alter the brightness by using these ones top and bottom, or if we go to this one here, which I'll do now. I mean, the reason I've had it down really low is because it becomes too bright if we just turn them straight up. In the background, I'm actually working in, it's our office, it's more like a workshop, but it's one of our offices which is fairly tidy, and I've got in the background one of the wall washers that we also sell. But what I'm going to do now is just switch them on up high, so you can see they're incredibly bright, and I couldn't have filmed it with that. But if we just go to and turn them down, and then if we turn them down like so, and then I'm just going to turn them off, then turn them on, then put them to high, put them to low, or use the sweeper at the bottom like that. So we'll just put them down to low again. So it's a very, very neat piece of kit. It's really for the larger installations, and I think for people who want dimming capability, they're fantastic. Now, just to show off a bit, in the background is one of the wall washers, which I've demonstrated on another video, but these are incredibly bright LEDs on a floor mount, and with this you can alter the hue, the blue being extremely bright, but you can go to greens and oranges and such likes. So I think that's we call that the end of the demo. Yeah, a good piece of kit. It will drive 36 strips individually, or in rows up to 10. So, and then we have the dimming capability. When these are on high, you can see that the frequency of the strips is coming into sync with something to do with the camera. So that's you never see that. It's just a photo, one of these electronic things.